023. The topic name is Enhanced Tourist Place Recommendation with a Charting System.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, sir, ma'am. Thanks for giving opportunity to present our paper at this conference. Also, thanks to our guide, Miss Ma'am Vidya Patil, ma'am, myself, Shubham Verma, and my team members, Pratik Paswan, Shivset Deshmukh, and Kartikeya Bormane. We are final year students from Dr. Diva Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. We believe project must be a solution of real life problems. So in day-to-day life, when you want to visit any places which you have been never visited or visited, then what will you do? You will ask to your friends or relatives about that place, means how the place was, what to do, and many more informations. If they visited, the main thing is when they visited, are they visited recently or in past? Also, uh, you will search on internet if they were not visited, but on internet you will get information regarding the place, but it will majorly based on get only ratings of places which are provided false sometimes, and in the interaction with other user in the form of forum only. So to overcome this problem, we propose the solution named as enhanced tourist place recommendation with chatting system. In short, our system will help to find latest or exact information regarding every place with the help of our recommendation system, which will be based on description of places, not on rating. We are going to build a user interactive platform in which users can share their journey experience with open public in the form of blog, video, photos, like how they reach, what they did, how they stayed, etc. On our platform, user will get to know like first point, places which they want to visit by the recommendation algorithms. We provide term frequency and inverse document frequency algorithm we will apply. Second, system based short information about particular place. Third, recently visited person to that place. Fourth, public chat room about particular place. Now, I'm going to hand over Mr. Pratik Paswan. He will explain further details. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. Shubham, literature survey. Please.
Okay.
So we have we have to create a recommendation place system. So first we have to define some recommendation techniques. So first we have in this paper we have gone through different recommendation techniques such as collaborative filtering, content based recommendation, and hybrid recommendation. But the drawback of collaborative and content based, they have some cold start issue. Cold start issue is what? If a person is new to the website, he or she will not have a history of previous recommendation, so there will be some issue while recommending places to him. So therefore we came to the conclusion that we will use a hybrid recommendation system, which will be a combination of content based recommendation system and term frequency and inverse document frequency. By this and by the third paper we also came to we by fourth paper we came to know about different chat we have tried to implement chatting systems, and by chatting system, which means that if a person if previously visited person, if you want to talk to the previously visited person, he or she can talk to the previously visited person by clicking on the place, and he will be seeing the recently visited customers by recently visited users, so that he can easily chat with them. So we are developing a user based interaction system, mainly diagram, please, flow. And these are our proposed methodology. Initially, we will in phase one, we will try to collect different types of data and different types of technology which are suitable for our project. And we will collect different data. After getting the specific data, we will search for the different algorithms, and we will try to create a proper database accordingly. And in phase three, we'll try to implement recommendation in a form of an API and feed it to our website, which will provide a proper detail and recommendation to the fourth phase will be deploying our recommendation. Yes, and the flow of our recommendation, and the flow is that user will initially user will log in to our place, and he she will search for a place. He will get the recommendation in a form of an top 10 recommendation places, and by selecting one place, he will come in three forms. The three forms that are First, he will also get the places which are nearby to that place, so that he can properly plan his journey accordingly. And we have also put the system like he can provide his blogs and places about, if he have visited to that place, then he can give a proper feedback and blogs about that place. And another way, one is chat room of that place that he can announce. And the this is the flow of our uh, recommendation system. Initially, user will search for a place. Then by using TF is a term frequency in image document, by the word which means by which we will first we will count the frequency of common words, and then we will try to recommend the places on the base of their description, not on the rating, because sometimes ratings are also given falsely. That's why we are trying to morely describe places on their descriptions and all. And further conclusion will be provided by Shubham. Shubham, continue.
Yeah. Thank you, Pradeep. The conclusion and the future scope is that the document is prepared to give proper details of the project. It gives detailed functional, non-functional, system requirements, system design, and architecture as well. Thus, we are going to implement a web-based software application using React.js, and we will implement recommendation feature using term frequency and inverse document frequency and content-based algorithm. Thus, it is possible to get places recommendation in easy way. Also, the system provides facility to interact with recently visited person by our chatbot function, which we will develop using Firebase as a backend. And the future we will also try to provide recommendation of hotels to stay and the overall expenses to explore a particular place. And these are the publications which we refer to make the documents and all. uh, Thank you, sir. And we are also ready with the basic design of our platform, how it will works, and yeah, that's also. Thank you.
So thank you, Shubham and Pratik. We really appreciate your hard work and wish you a great future ahead. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.